Bob, what is this place? I'm sorry, Helen. Oh.
It's Tubby Toys. Do you know that Tubby Toys are out of this world?
Alright, kids, it's date night. Your dad and I were going out. Violet, you are in charge. Do not let Dash away, and please don't let Jack explode. Come on, Mom! You know I'm so good at this. I'm their big sis. I can handle things. Alright, just making sure. Honey, where are we going? Found this really cool dance hall that I know you're gonna like. A really, really good deal on it. Good deal? Oh no, I'm scared. Don't be! What is this place, Bob? I'm so sorry, Helen. I thought it'd be like a really cool club. I found it on Groupon. Groupon? You need to stay off the internet. I'm so sorry. Let's make the best of it, though. Okay. Hey, guys, it's Tiffany from Tubby Toys, and I'm with my awesome assistant.
I'm Tubby.
Can you say hello, I'm Tubby?
I'm Tubby.
Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. It looks like Mr. Incredible wanted to take Elastigirl out to a disco, but the JigglyDoos have taken over. We have to unbox them and jiggle with Mr. and Mrs. Incredible for their date night. These poor parents haven't gone out in so long. They really, really needed this. So let's get started and open everything up so we can get them dancing. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to Tubby Toys. And don't forget to ring that bell. You'll be notified first for all of our new videos and giveaways. Please make sure you write first in the comments below so we know you're here. And if you're new here, let us know too. Let's get started. We have Jakks Pacific JigglyDoos. We have an awesome 2-pack, a lounge set with an exclusive unicorn, and this adorable 6-pack. And you know what's really awesome? I see a narwhal in there. Let's open up this cool 2-pack first. Oh my gosh, I wanted the turtle and the bunny rabbit, and thankfully we got them together. They're so cute.
And in the 6-pack, there's a pig.
On the top. Ooh, let's open up this. Oh my gosh, I'm getting just a touch of them. Oh my goodness. Has anybody ever opened up a JigglyDoo yet? If not, you must.
Can I feel them?
Yes. Oh my god. And they're so stretchy. Perfect for Elastigirl. Oh my god, it's perfect for you, Elastigirl.
Do you know that these are so squishy?
Wait, look at them vibrate. They're really good at jiggle and dance with the music. Whoa! Yeah. This turtle is so cute. I love the little green rings. And look at his sweet little face. He is so sweet and cute. Let's take a look at that cute bunny rabbit. Oh, look at the bunny. Look at the ears. Look at the detail. Look at that fold in the little ear. Yeah. How cute.
Yeah, that's so cute.
Oh, and look at the little tail. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to get these guys jiggling. That dance floor is ready for them. Whoa! So super stretchy and so cute. Oh my gosh, and they're like very, very soft feeling. Not your typical like squishy. Oh my gosh. It has like a skin on it, like a really nice jiggly skin. Oh my goodness, I love it. Let's put them right here.
They are so soft and squishy. I just love JigglyDoos right now.
Me too. They're so cute.
Yeah.
Let's see. Is there a checklist? No. This is series 1 though, and there are so many to collect.
They are. I wish there was a checklist.
Well, maybe we'll see one. Let's open up this 6-pack next.
That's
so cool. And you know what? They are so super soft. Oh my gosh. And these are all the ones you can collect. Let's open up this huge tube. And what I love about this tube is that we can save it and put we have a kitty cat. And we have the narwhal. Look at that. It's a unicorn whale. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to jiggle, roll, and squish these cuties. Next, we have a little yellow puppy. Oh, and a little bear. Oh, this sweet little bear is so cute. Let's see the piggy first. The piggy is so soft. Oh, look at the little wiggly, wiry little piggy tail.
Oh my god.
The twirly little tail.
I want to take a closer look at the piggy.
Yeah, go give him a little squish.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. And I'm going to look at this adorable white rabbit. Look at this white rabbit. Oh, another detail with the fold. So we have the pink rabbit and the white rabbit. Oh, look how cute they are, little twinsies.
Yeah, we're a twinsy.
Look at this cute little purple kitty cat. I love it. And I love how super squishy and super stretchy. Look at that little tail. It's so cute. And here is the narwhal. The narwhal is so soft. It's such a nice material. Go ahead, give it a pet.
Oh
Isn't that super soft?
Yeah.
Look at that sweet little face, too. My goodness. I cannot deal. Look how stretchy. Whoa.
Can I try?
Go ahead, give it a stretch.
Wow.
Let's look at the puppy. Oh, look at this cute little puppy dog. Oh my God. And the puppy's lying down. And look at the little butt. The jiggly butt. A wiggly jiggly butt. Let's give him a stretch. Whoa. And so twisty too. They really are super soft.
And squishy. I just love JigglyDoos already.
Oh my God. Look at this one. The little bear. Oh my gosh. We're going to have so much fun dancing with them. Woo! Hey, wait a minute. These rascals are in my car. They can't go in my car. Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Incredible. Hey, you heard the super. Get out of his vehicle. These JigglyDoos are rascals. We have the exclusive left to open with 2 pieces of furniture. This is the JigglyDoos lounge set. Oh my gosh, can't wait to open it.
Over here.
Oh my gosh, and look, there's even popcorn too. I wonder if those pieces come out. The couch and the chair, they can rock back and forth. Woo, just perfect for jiggling. Wow, there are 33 to collect in all. So this set includes 1 JigglyDoos, 1 chair, 1 couch, and 2 accessories. Oh my gosh.
And the 2 accessories on the popcorn and the drink.
Oh, look at that. There's a little chick over here. I want to get that seal. Oh.
And if we get all of them, we can like shove them in.
Whoa. Oh, wow. So the piece does come out. So cute. So there are 2 like cup holders here. So a JigglyDoo can put its snack or its drink as a cute little like slushie comes with.
And also, if you put 2 in, and there's 2 stuff, and they want it together, they both of them could put their stuff in the cup holder.
That's right. Adorable pink seat, and look what it came with. Popcorn, and look, it has 1 cup holder, and it can fit the popcorn in nicely. Let's see it rock back and forth too. It's a jiggle off. We're gonna do a jiggle off in a minute, but let's take a look at our exclusive unicorn. The unicorn is so cute, and it's so soft, and it's purple and white.
It is so soft.
Isn't it? Oh, and look, you can give it a little poke here. Oh, it likes that. Let's give it a stretch. Oh, we could flatten them out. We could twist them too. Oh my goodness, so squishy.
We're going to have so much fun playing with these.
Let's see how fast they can go. Who will go? Let's do the narwhal and the unicorn. Jiggle off. Woo! Oh, you could spin them around too. Whoa!
When you say whoa, I said whoa.
Let's give him a spin. Whoa! Let's dance, Helen. Okay. You still got the moves. Can I cut in? Sure. Thanks. Whoa! I've been waiting for you to get away from her all night. Helen? That's okay, Bob. You have fun with that narwhal. I'm having fun with my new friend, Unicorn. Ah! That wasn't nice. Get out of my jiggle. I think it's time to go. Yeah, you're right. Couldn't keep up with the JigglyDoos. They're so jiggly and wiggly, and they're having so much fun at their disco party. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Tubi Toys. Thanks so much for watching, guys.
And have a great day.
How many JigglyDoos can we fit in this tube? This tube is so cool. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 JigglyDoos. JigglyDoos. We gotta get more JigglyDoos to fill up this tube. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, guys. Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
Yeah, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah.